What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another one on DNT DISTRICT0X, which has been pumping in the last not even 24 hours. I would say in the last about couple of hours, 3, 4, 5 hours. It's been pumping up in value and is up 15% in the last 24 hours, making it just above 5 cents per coin. So this is a highly requested video. A lot of people are asking me, should I sell it? Should I buy it right now? Should I wait for it to drop? Is it a good time to buy? So that's what I'm going to be going through today, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and in general just giving you guys my prediction and my take on this crypto over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and also over the long run. Is DISTRICT0X a good investment? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website at the moment, and over the last day itself it has gone up 16% in value. And obviously at the moment we are looking at the pounds. Let me just change that to USD just to avoid any confusion. As you can see, it is, should be changed to 5 cents. Here it is. Over the last week it has dropped 38% in value, which is quite major, and over the month a massive 55% down. So over half its value has been wiped off in just a single month. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see that the trading volume has gone up by nearly 70% in the last 24 hours, making it $6 million, which is a huge amount of money that is being traded, especially that it's, not a crypto that's well known out there. But again, a lot of people are trading the crypto. Is one of the top gainers. So we're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading. However, looking at this graph here, we can see we got way more sellers than buyers. We got a massive 61% sell against 39% buy. So obviously there is a lot of people selling the crypto right now. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So I'm going to hide it for now, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction. So what can we see here guys? So as you can see, we do have the MACD indicator, and we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, which is currently valuing DISTRICT0X at 7 cents. However, it is currently trading at a much lower value at 5 cents, meaning it is not performing as well as it's meant to, and much lower than expected. So let's get straight into it. But before I go any further guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart here. Zooming in here, we got the blue line and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning minimal increases in value are expected over the coming hours. And that basically means towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect an overall increase in value on DISTRICT0X. However, it doesn't mean it's going to be a major increase or a huge bull run or anything like that. And if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you will know that I've always said this: whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, just like this one here, it has to drop back down in value. It has to take a little breather. The exact same applies to DNT guys. There's no different. So we can see that it's already started to drop down in value a little bit. So I am expecting it to drop down potentially to about 0.050, somewhere around here, and then potentially peak back up in value. I'm not expecting it to go to 6 cents, but heading towards that target, and then potentially dropping back down tomorrow. But over the short run, over the next couple of hours, we should expect very minimal increases in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, again we are looking quite bullish. We got the blue line and the orange line once again going in a positive direction, looking quite bullish, meaning more increases in value are expected over the coming days. So towards the end of next week, we should expect it to be at a much higher value than what it's worth at the moment, according to the chart. However, as I keep mentioning guys, it all depends on Bitcoin. Most cryptos do follow a similar pattern to Bitcoin, and so does DNT. As you can see, it's had a major drop and then right now going back up in value, and that is exactly what's taking place to Bitcoin as well. So I am expecting it to pick up in value, and I'm also expecting Bitcoin to recover over the coming days as well. So over the next 2 weeks, I'm expecting Bitcoin to hit about $34,000 to $35,000, meaning we are back on track, and the exact same to all the other cryptos. We should be able to expect a slow and steady recovery. I'm not expecting it to recover straight away. but it's going to be a slow process, because every time a crypto crashes, the recovery process is very slow. And yeah, the exact same applies to right now, the second crash that's taken place. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks are not looking too great. The lines are looking quite bearish, going in a negative direction. However, the only reason for that is because of the major drops that's taken place over the last couple of days. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep going down, it's going to keep crashing, so on and so on. But that is not the case. Most cryptos do end up recovering. Obviously, we got Luna at the moment, which literally just fully crashed out, but I have made several videos on that cryptocurrency, whether you should buy it and what to expect. If you haven't checked that out, do check it out, because there's some very, very important news on that specific crypto. But yeah, over the long run, by end of May, mid-June, I am expecting us to not fully recover, but more or less recovered by mid-June to late June as well. And potentially Bitcoin should be at 40k by early July as well. Again, I'm not gonna say it's gonna hit 40k in the next 2-3 weeks, because yeah, I don't want to be unrealistic. Crypto is very volatile, up and down, it's all over the place, but it always, most of the time, ends up recovering. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis on DNT. As you can see, we are in the red zone, and we have been in the red zone since about January. Peaked back up here in April, all the way up here to about 20 cents, and it dropped back down. The last time we were in the red zone before that was back in January last year. So before I go any further, just a little announcement. If any of you guys are interested in what cryptos I'm buying and selling, all you need to do is simply subscribe to my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this is limited to the first 100 members that join. After that, it will increase to $29.99, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left. So once you sign up, what's going to happen, guys? You're going to get put into 2 group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos to buy and sell. The other one, what cryptos I buy and sell. And the other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects. And that is also where I put daily price updates and predictions on specific cryptocurrencies. And Bitcoin is also one of them. So I give you guys daily updates on where to expect the market towards, upwards, downwards, basically different cryptocurrencies upon your requests. But again, any questions, any queries you guys may have, just send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, the link is in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. So as you can see here, as I mentioned earlier, I am expecting us to head into the green zone by mid-June to late June. Hopefully we should be on the way to recovery and potentially head upwards and onwards for the rest of the year. But again, crashes are never expected, so I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on DNT. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's try and hit 100k subscribers as soon as possible. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.